Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel again. So as you can tell by this video, or by the title of this video, this is going to be me using rice water on my mom's hair for the first time. So let me just go ahead and let you guys know what's going on with her hair so far. So right now she has been wearing her hair blown out for like the past, I'd say about a week. So that's what her hair looks like blown out. So what I'm doing now is just applying some regular water on her hair just so that her curls can revert back and her hair can revert back to its curly state. So all I'm doing right now is just going ahead and soaking her hair in some water, because you know water is your best friend. And now what I'm going to go ahead and do is just kind of brush it out and make sure that it does stay detangled, so that it's not like, you know, kinking up or tangling up, because the hair texture that my mom does have, it is kind of prone to tangling. I know for sure she's definitely not in the 4 or type 4 category. She definitely has, like, I would literally say 3A, 3B type hair, but her hair does tangle very easily, so that's why I was going ahead and brushing it out. So I'm just spraying water, you know, spritz, 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 brush, 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 all that good stuff. So it's slowly but surely reverting back to its curly state, and this is what her hair looks like, y'all. She has that silky, like the Hawaiian silky type of hair, that like silky smooth type of hair. Like, I don't understand why my hair doesn't look like this, but you know, it's all good, because you know what God has for you is for you. But her hair, this is what her hair looks like, very smooth and silky. Now what I'm doing is just adding a little bit of conditioner to leave into her hair, just to add a little bit of added moisture. Since her hair was just blown out, I am just adding some conditioner to make sure that it does stay moisturized, because we don't want any dry hair around here. So all I'm doing right now is just brushing it and adding in that conditioner and working it into her hair. So right now that's all I'm doing, and when I'm finished with this step I'll come back to you guys, but as of now that's all I'm doing for her hair right now. Y'all, now it's time for the fun part. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to start applying the rice water directly to her scalp. And if you did not know, I do sell this rice water now. This is the packaging, this is what it looks like, and it's not just any rice water, it's not just simple rice water. I do add different ingredients in it that also benefit and help with hair growth. So definitely, if you're interested in purchasing this, definitely go ahead and check the link down below, and I will have the link to it on my website down below. So what I'm doing now is just parting through her hair and spraying it directly onto her scalp. And once I spray it onto her scalp, I'm gonna go ahead and massage it in. And y'all, let's go ahead and get down to the nitty-gritty about the benefits of rice water. I talk about it all the time, but honestly I really can't say it enough. Sorry, what's going on? So anyway, rice water does really help to increase the thickness, the shine, and the strength of your hair as well, all the while like making your hair grow at a faster rate. So if you didn't know, rice water is rich in vitamins, especially vitamin B and vitamin C. So those are definitely pluses and bonuses for your hair. You definitely want to give your hair vitamins and nutrients. And also rice water does have protein in it. And the protein is something that your hair is basically made out of. So if you're adding protein into your hair, you're definitely helping your hair to grow longer and just to be stronger overall. Because if your hair is damaged, you are kind of missing spots, or missing, like, there are going to be gaps in your hair strand or in your hair shaft, and rice water does go ahead and help fill in those missing spots. And also another benefit is rice water altogether is really good for blood circulation. So by spraying it directly on your scalp, you are helping the blood circulation in your scalp, which will definitely help your hair grow. So if you are kind of increasing the rate of the blood circulation on your scalp, that's obviously going to make your hair grow, because if there's more blood moving around on your scalp, then it's going to help stimulate those follicles, and if those follicles are being stimulated, then your hair is definitely growing. And that's literally just the tip of the iceberg for the things that rice water can kind of help out with when it comes to helping grow your hair. And also, people do use rice water on their skin as well. I did make a video on me using rice water on my face. If you didn't watch that video, I'll definitely have it linked somewhere, or I'll have it linked down below in my description box. But also, did you guys know that you can also drink rice water? Now listen, I would not recommend drinking the one that I sell, because first of all, ew, it's definitely not drinkable. It is all natural and it is organic, but the ingredients that are in it are meant for your hair. But people do drink rice water, and they use it as a substitute for milk, or they use they call it like rice milk. So they use like the cloudy white, you know, stuff you use for rice water. They use that for milk, and they might add a few ingredients. I know somebody uses it for I know somebody on YouTube who used it for their children. Like, they gave them rice milk, and it was really just like rice water with like a few different stuff added. I think they added like sugar and stuff to it. But yeah, you can drink it. So listen, if you can drink it, you can use it on your hair, and it's definitely going to be beneficial. Just a ton of different benefits for using rice water. Another benefit is that it is a natural detoxifier, so it'll definitely help to pull out toxins, or just kind of detoxify your hair altogether. And honestly, those are all the tips I'm going to give you guys today. Right now, we're just going to go ahead and finish watching me do my mom's hair. Oh, so what I'm doing right now is, once I finish spraying it all over her scalp, I'm just going to go in and massage it onto her scalp, just to make sure that we didn't miss any parts. And right now I'm just showing you guys the length of her hair, and the reason that we are using it on her hair is she definitely wants her hair to be thicker. So that is why we are using it on her hair. Her main focus is to get thickness back into her hair. And this is how long her hair is. Her hair is definitely pretty long, and the curl pattern is popping. Okay, you guys, like, it's literally looking like that is definitely like a 3A, 3B type of texture, because it's not coily at all. But I do know her hair is definitely prone to tangles, and all that on her shirt is conditioner. I'm sure y'all know that, but I just gotta say it. That's conditioner from her hair. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that, and then show you guys the length. Now what I'm doing is just kind of brushing everything through her hair to make sure everything is evenly distributed, and just to make sure that everything is just evenly coated all throughout. So that's all we're doing right now, is just brushing on through. So if you are interested in purchasing some of the golden hair rice water, I will definitely have the link down below for you to go ahead and head over to the website and just get a little bit more knowledge, or go ahead and place your order there. And like I said before, the rice water that I do sell, it definitely isn't just regular rice water. I do add tons of different ingredients that do also help in hair growth. So with my rice water kit, it won't come pre-made. You will receive the rice water in its kit form. So it will come with the golden hair frosted glass bottle. You'll also have a golden funnel, and it will come with the rice water steep bag. And with that steep bag, or inside that steep bag, will be all of the ingredients that I use to make my rice water. And what you would do is take the steep bag and sit it in 4 ounces of water. And once you put it in the 4 ounces of water, and honestly you can put it in about 4 to 8 ounces. So if you do run out of the first 4 ounce amount, you can go ahead and refill that bottle. But what you would do is just let it sit for about 12 to 24 hours, or honestly however long you want it to sit. I don't usually let mine sit for too long because I don't want it to ferment too much. Since I don't rinse it out, I just spray it onto my scalp and leave it. So I don't let it sit for too long, and once it's done steeping, I do go ahead and put it in the refrigerator, just so that it doesn't ferment anymore or any longer. So yeah, you can definitely find that on my website, and I will have it linked down below. And thank you guys so much for supporting me. Now I'm just going ahead and showing you guys what her hair looks like with everything applied and with the rice water added. I'm just brushing everything through. Y'all see these curls? Like, it's ridiculous. Why are they popping like this? Why are the curls popping like this? But it's all good. It's all good, you know? Because my hair's pretty too. It just don't look like this. And that's all right. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and show this video to you guys and just show you guys how I apply it to my mom's hair. And honestly, her hair is taking to the rice water really nicely. It does seem like after I sprayed it down and brushed it through, it did kind of add a little bit of shine, you know, not to toot my own horn, but it added a little bit of shine. But her hair was already shiny. Her hair is just, she does have very shiny, silky looking hair. So, oh, this is where I sprayed it. Sorry, I thought I already sprayed it. But now y'all can see. Once I spray it and brush it through, it does appear to have added a little bit of shine too. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So I do want to thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Again, you can purchase this rice water in my description box down below. I will have the link to it down below. This is what it looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. Hit the notification bell if you have not already, so you can be alerted whenever I post a new video. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content. So if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.